I'm going to make a pretend Arles bedroom with a blender. I mainly use a software called Form G. Although it is a purchased software, I don't want to disappear someday. I decided to do the blender in parallel. Although I started using a blender, well, it's difficult and I haven't grasped the whole thing. I'm studying by relying on YouTube and books that are published one after another. If you don't use it for a while, you'll forget it. This is not limited to blenders. This time it came out of the cut system in February 2022 by Shigeyuki Itami. When I was studying a book called Blender Start Book, the last topic is, there are 5 bedrooms. I decided to try making this one in my own way. The contents of this part are, it's handy since only hints are given, skipping detailed instructions. Now, make a drawing. These 5 bedroom layouts, with floor plans preserved, are accessible online and in this book. Moreover, the centimeter display is easy to understand. Trace the floor plan. Elevation view. The inner tube is called an expanded view. I will write. I don't know the details, so I'm just creating it. Drawings use millimeter measurements with precision. Though the ceiling height stands at 318 meters, it was kept at that level, even if it seemed high. Even from the yellow house's facade painting, the ceiling remains flat. It appears flat overall. We'll have a flat ceiling here. Once the drawing is written, output it in XF. Take it into the blender. Create a collection to import drawings into the outliner scene collection. Use the name of the drawing or something. The length of the unit in the scene in the property editor. Make it From File in the main menu, load the DXF file of the drawing created with imported AutoCAD DXF. Set the unit magnification to 0. Change to 1. Now you can import the drawing. Because for some reason it is taken in as a curve, click an object in the header menu, select Mesh from Transform, and convert a curve to a mesh. For organizing, right-click on the 3D view screen, or go from Object to Collection in header menu. Create a new collection. Save it to the drawing archive. Remove unneeded character data with the delete key.
Yes?
Save it around here. I went through the rest of the data and deleted the unnecessary ones. Herbs converted into meshes. I moved it to the collection. This data's origin was slightly displaced, most likely due to the original caddy setting shift. Set the origin from the object menu. The origin has been moved to the 3D cursor. The chair's plane indicates its exact positioning. Since the origin was off, I moved it to the 3D cursor. It's curved, so I converted it to a mesh.
Yes.
Delete important data. The plane of the chair has also moved to the collection. This empty. Hidden within an initially created object. Hide it. Unnecessary empty items were removed. Display from above. Select a drawing reference line. New, create a collection.
Yes.
I'll keep it hidden. Discard redundant sketch elements. Even the necessary drawings have been selected. In the selected state, put it in editing mode. Put it in vertex selection mode. Select the unnecessary drawing and delete it. I left the drawing. Put it back. You don't have to put it back. Transparency enhances clean deletions. In object mode, left. Select the wall of. In edit mode, select the left wall again. Right-click and detach from menu. Click Select. In object mode, select left wall. I was able to choose beautifully. New, create a standard collection and use it as a left wall diagram. Display it. Separate the right wall in the same way and hide it as a new collection. The back wall could not be separated well, so decided to separate the floor plan. The collection I made for my period ended up being Okukabezu.
With this,
Successfully finished the diagram separation. I deleted the parts I didn't need. To rotate the right wall diagram, select axis point. Shift with S key. Move the 3D cursor to the axis for rotation. Choose the right wall layout. Move origin to 3D cursor.
In the transform settings in the tool panel, if only the origin is checked, the object does not move. Only the center point moves.
I unchecked the origin. Rotate with the right key in the operator panel that appears immediately after. Enter 90 and confirm.
Yes!
Hide the left wall. Rotate the right wall.
Yes.
Select the right wall.
What's this?
Move the origin to the 3D cursor. Rotate it with right key.
9.
10 is certain. Rotate it by specialization. Move the origin. RX key. It was confirmed at 90. Now the drawing part is ready.
Generate by AI.